Aye, nice wee spot.
Yep. Beautiful wee spot.
Oh,
Like it, yeah.
glasses. Aye, this one touch start, it's brilliant,
Oh, it's great, isn't it? Oh, squeeze by.
Right, I'll just jump on it. I don't. There you are.
Now, they must have relayed this whole road here.
Must have done, aye. I can't mind how bad it was. I'd need to check back on some videos,
Aye. If they've got this, they've scraped the top yet, so they must be going to surface this as well.
Yeah. Hello. Don't wave.
It's fishermen there, see?
Right.
There's a big pike in there, apparently.
Pike?
Aye.
Oh, I think that guy's made a bit of a faux pas.
Obviously, they'll realise how sharp that bend is.
Strafire.
Oh, this will be resurfaced there.
Well, I think it's going to be a feet down there.
Aye.
It was that cafe there that Alec and I went in.
Oh, the bro?
Aye, absolute robbers.
Of course they are. This whole area will fucking rip you off.
Cup of tea each and a bit of shortbread. 13.5 quid.
Well, I know they've got a short season. Don't rip people off. You know what I mean?
Well, aye, that's what they've done. That's another cafe off our list.
There's a lovely wee cafe up here at Balcony Station. I can't remember what it's called.
Cafe.
It's got a famous sharp toilet. Honestly.
One for the 1920s.
No, I think it's just covered with sharks. And it's like a shark-themed toilet.
Oh, shark, aye.
Aye, sharks. And it's like famous for. It's just up here on the left.
Will it bite your bum?
That's it. There you go, we're on famous shark toilet. See? It's West Island Way walkers through the cross.
We passed a lot of them a few weeks ago. It was a run that they were doing now.
Ah, right. Oh, they have that once a year.
Yeah.
They have that once a year. The trail runners know that here.
Aye.
94 miles in the day in like 36 hours.
Yeah.
Mental. That's super fit folk, that, mate.
I know for me, like.
Yeah, I couldn't do it, it would kill me. Right.
Half a mile.
Here, we take the
right
at the top. Takes us through the far side of the loch.
Aye. Loch Earn head.
Yep, this is where we are.
I'll get my window open. Get some air in.
I'm sure there's a cafe somewhere here. I know there is. I've seen it. See, look at us. We're going out that way.
Yeah.
It's beautiful scenery along the road.
Lovely. Now they're still working on that house, like. That'll be nice when it's done.
Right, so I'm not sure where to stop here, actually, to be honest. So that we can get something to eat.
There'll not be
there's a cafe around here.
There'll not be a McDonald's here. Hello,
No,
cow.
there's a cafe somewhere. There's police up here on the left.
I think they're on a house call.
I think you could be right. Or they could be just. Oh no, it's a police station.
That's what it is. A wee house. Yeah, imagine that,
Is there a burger? I know that there. It's
Hello.
There's toilets. I don't see a fucking cafe or anything.
Nah, we'll find one. Right, boys. One thing we're no short of up here in Scotland, John, is water.
Yeah. Yeah.
We've got loads there.
Oh, there we go. Cafe bar. Cafe bar. That's shit. Fuck well. Let's stop here because I'm going to put the next destination in.
Aye, now maybe change a battery in this action camera. Great wee road though, eh?
Oh, that's a connect road. I've done this one before. I'm going bike in my car.
Aye, well, I need to get my car sorted, eh? That bloody engine light's still on.
Still coming on.
Aye, I'll need to change the boost pressure sensor on it and mass airflow meter. That's the two codes that keep coming up, eh?
Yeah.
Low boost pressure and I cleaned out the pipe and all that. That was choked and I thought that would have sorted it, but no.
Keep my own for a wee cafe and all the route.
That's
I thought
alright.
there would have been one in the front of the Loch Earn there. They're really surprised there isn't.
Or a wee van or something, eh?
Yeah. It's really somebody's missing a opportunity there. He's been twisted over it.
Lovely, eh? Lovely.
See how big Loch Earn is, but
Oh aye, it's a good few gallons of water in there, eh?
it's the Loch line. There we go.
Aye, it's huge, yeah.
Aye. We're at a private jet going in.
Aye, that's
going
my jet. Is
It's a
it?
private airport there. That's where it'll be going.
Aye, nice wee house that, eh?
It's lovely, isn't it?
I could stay in there quite
Worth a
happily.
fucking fortune. What's
No.
for sale? It's for sale. If you've got the money, you can buy it. You've got to stop there for you. That's with my wife. The Mirror Man.
Oh, the mirror man. Man in the
I
mirror.
forgot he was here. I actually forgot he was here.
Well, let's get a picture of him. Oh, there's duckies. Hello, ducks.
That's good for your YouTube thing.
Aye.
The Mirror Man. A wee show, but it's not a cafe. Damn it. Is it? That would cost a fortune here anyway.
I need to change a battery in this GoPro. This action camera anyway.
No problemo.
Hello, duck. They're all coming to see us, John. Is that what it is? Hi, ducks. John wants to eat you. A mirror man. And a duck. Two ducks.